Hello. Today I will be discussing Chapter 13, Endocrine System. In this section, I will be explaining how secretion of each hormone is regulated, and I will be mentioning negative feedback since it does play a role in the regulation. Negative feedback is when the body prevents sudden/severe changes in the body. Example of it is like controlling the blood pressure and glucose in the blood. Um, the control of the hormonal secretion, the secretion, like I mentioned, is controlled primarily by the negative feedback mechanisms. Like mentioned, negative feedback maintains stable hormone concentrations, though they may fluctuate slightly around the average normal concentrate. Positive feedback only happens in a small amount of hormonal control, which will happen during the reproductive system. The effects from the hormones are short lived and can be there for a few minutes or last a couple days. Secretions are precisely regulated, and then the hormones excrete in the urine after exerting their effects. The hormones can be broken down by enzymes, which will mainly be coming from the liver, and to stop their effects in general. The control sources, there is 3 methods used in the negative feedback controls during hormone secretions. There's tropic hormones, which hormones that act on other glands to regulate their hormone secretion, which here is demonstrated in A, how it works down the tiers. Nervous system control, nervous system directly stimulates some glands to secrete their hormones like nerve impulses. It starts in the nervous system, endocrine gland, target cells, action. So then it just repeats. Changes in composition of internal environment, changing levels of specific substance in the blood and iron, glucose, etc. stimulates or inhibits secretion of certain hormones, like here, changing the level of substance in blood, endocrine gland, target cells, action. Thank you so much.